this quick video, I will show you how to set stop limit on Binance Futures step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. And once you have logged in, go to your wallet and make sure that your funds is in Futures wallet. If you don't have your funds in Future wallet, you can go to Fiat and Spot here and click transfer. Now there are two options here. One is the USDM futures and the second one is the CoinM futures. Now the difference between these two is that USDM futures is settled in USDT or BUSD, while the CoinM futures is settled in cryptocurrency. So if you want to trade using a stablecoin, you can choose USDM futures. Now once you have transferred your funds into futures wallet, you can go to derivatives here and choose what options you're going to trade. So for example, USDM futures. The next is to choose sell or buy option depending on your intended trade direction. Then enter the stop price. The stop price is the price level at which your stop order will be triggered. After setting the stop price, you will need to set the limit price. Once you have set all the necessary parameters, you can click buy to place your stop limit order. And if the market price reaches the trigger price, your stop order will be triggered and your limit order will be executed at the limit price you have set. So this can help you to manage risk and reduce potential losses. And if you have any questions about how to set limit order on Binance Futures, leave a comment below.